I'm Andy Boroughs. I'm the Trials and Capability Delivery Manager at ISS Aerospace, and I've been working with the company now for the last couple of months. And our company, we effectively make a bespoke system of drones working from 1 kilogram to 600 kilograms, and we are very dynamic in terms of the way we can produce drones for all sorts of different scenarios, whether that be commercially or for defence. This is the M8. It's capable of lifting up to 11 kilograms in terms of its weight and payload capability. It's IP rated, and it is a very unique and rugged system for flying in all different terrains and environments. At the moment we have the Explorer that's integrated at the moment. It's a great system to be integrated with the M8 series purely because of its lift capability, but also its endurance, how it's able to fly for up to 35 to 40 minutes with that payload, and in a lot of different conditions, and especially wind speeds. So wind speeds wouldn't actually have any sort of deterioration in terms of the way that aircraft flies. Yeah, so the advantages of this combination would purely be because of the flight capability of the system, the amount of weight it's able to lift, the endurance it has, but also the wind speeds that it's able to fly in. Now, the LiDAR wouldn't work so well in rain, but if there is a lot of wind, the aircraft will be capable of that. So I would recommend the solution for high detailed survey work, pipeline surveys, and in the energy sector. And for me personally, I've done a lot of work on mine sites, and I think it would be very good for that kind of sector as well.